What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. If you don't know me, my name is Baked, and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. Today we got something a little special and new. My brand new 2016 FZ07. Not brand new to me, but yeah, y'all saw a few videos ago that my friend let me ride his, and I was like, I freaking loved it so much, bro. Yeah, okay, I folded so easy, I don't care. But dude, it's so easy to wheelie, and I'm trying to get into stunting a little bit, and I had the freaking 636, which turns out is really hard to learn on. But I just figured if I wanted to be able to actually wheelie, then I could freaking get one of these. So yeah, that's what we got right here. Little road biker, I guess. But yeah, this is her, bruh. I can already wheelie better on this than I could on my 636, so guess I should have started with this, but you know, now I know. But anyways, yeah, it's got the full Yoshi exhaust, freaking tuner. It looks, bro, I love this colorway so much. Obviously it's not brand new, it has like 28,000 miles on it, but it's got a few scratches here and there. But it's freaking awesome, dude. But yeah, we're just out here today trying to practice some wheelies on this little back road I found. So these cars probably think I'm schizophrenic or something. Don't care. But yeah, this is it. So we're gonna continue the learning how to wheelie journey on this thing instead of the other bike. So yeah, was able to sell the 636 and get this the same exact day. So heck yeah, bro. Oh yeah, it's also got a R6 throttle tube on it that me and my friend put on, but mismatched grips because I wasn't trying to fool around with taking the grip off and all that. So that's what we got here. Yeah, don't mind me just under a bridge. Pretty sure that's some dead animal right there, so that's nice. I'm gonna get out from under here real quick, bro. But yeah, dude, this thing sounds so good, dude. Holy crap! Woo-wee! But yeah, this thing is literally such a blast. Has been such a blast, bro. Compared to the 636, because like I love that thing. It's like still, when I get better at stunting, I'll still probably get one. If I ever get better at stunting. But yeah, this thing is so freaking like fun, and it's like the perfect around the town bike and cruising bike and learning how to wheelie bike, and it's just so short and playful, dude, and like flicky. I love it, bro. Dang, this road is getting a little busy today. But yeah, it's literally so freaking easy to like just throw it up in second, dude. I'm still learning, like, obviously, but it's so freaking easy. The low end power is crazy. Woo-wee! It even comes up in third, but I'm sticking to second for now. But yeah, I found this little back road, so we're just gonna cruise on this for a while, because it's pretty straight and there's not that many cars. It's not like a main highway or anything, so. But yeah, say what you will, I folded, but I don't care. It's freaking awesome. I hate this section of track right here, dude. Ah! It's like a giant hole. And there's somebody behind me. Let's turn off right here. Do a little turnaround. Whee! But yeah, this is so much more of a well-rounded and fun bike. Hate to say it about the 636, but it's kind of a one thing bike. All right, let me lock in, bro. That dude's probably mad. I just blew through a stop sign. He's turning that way. We're good. We're good. Got a little Grom rider pulling up on us. What's going on, dude? Dude, that thing's clean. Gotcha, man.
Hell yeah, just a little Grom, bro. It's dope as hell.
Dude, I like the paint. That's cool.
Crazy story about the paint. I traded it, wanted it back. Within 3 days, he rode 400 miles and spray painted it.
Good lord.
Like, man, I want it back so bad. So I offered him a couple $100 on top. He traded it back. So,
hell yeah.
What's this right here?
It's a FZ07.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, trying to learn some wheelies to. Huh?
I'm gonna upgrade soon myself.
Dude, get you one of these. They're sick.
How much did they run?
This one was $4 grand.
Okay, that's not bad.
Yeah, so it's doable.
I picked this up at $1,500.
I mean, yeah, that's a Grom, so you get them cheap.
I got a deal on it without a doubt. But hell yeah, bro.
Yeah, man, take care. You too. I got a smile from the guy in the truck. Sheesh. What's this dude walking on the road? Give him a wheelie real quick. Woohoo! Haha. Gotta bunny hop over those damn tracks. Yeehaw! This section ain't too bad. Oh yeah, I also did a clean air mod on this last night because I found some oil in my air intake, so I figured I should probably do that. And it's pretty easy. You don't even, it's pretty easy. You don't even have to get any extra tube or anything. Just get one of those little like air filters and freaking slap it on there, turn the hose around, and you'll be good. Yeah, there's just a little crankcase breather hose coming off the top of the head, and it's like right there, and it's facing this way towards the airbox, but you can just take the tank off and flip it around and then put a little filter on the end. Then there's a perfect little hole for it, like right there. So that's what I did, and it works pretty good. Even got a blue one to match. You already know, haha. But yeah, apparently the guy before me freaking had a rat living in this thing or something, bro. I took the seat off to like look at my or my friend was telling me to take off one of the little rubber hoses to give me more airflow, and we popped it off, and there's a bunch of like hay and straw in there and like rat shit. So I took out the freaking air filter and like air blasted the shit out of it, and now it's good. But yeah, just if you're wondering, not good to have rats in your bike. And that's when I found the oil in there too, so I guess it's a good thing that I did it. So I knew that I had to do a clean air mod, but we figured it out. It's all right. Alright, let's do one more run up and back, and that'll be enough. God dang, bro, skirting that thing. Going. Go as fast as possible over those railroad tracks, bro. They freaking suck. That old lady hates me, bro. Holy mean mugging, dude. She was not having it. That was funny. Freaking mean mugging me. Let's try well, actually, yeah, let's try a third gear. Nah, I'm gonna stick to second. Third gear is a little more interesting because you have to, I don't know, it's like harder to get it up, but then once you get it up, it wants to like fly back. So it's like a really fine line. So I'm gonna work on just balancing it in second, and then yeah, just balancing it in second, and then once I get pretty good at that, I'll move to third and do some faster ones. But yeah, second's pretty freaking easy to come up, so doesn't feel super twitchy or anything. Girl's giving me the okay sign. All right. Forgot it's a stop sign. My fault. Oh, I hate this part. Gotta find a good line. Ugh. Off-roading the FC, I feel like. Alright, let's take it back home. I'm getting too tired to do anything decent. My back leg is so freaking tired, bro.